Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to remove apps from the Huawei P Smart. So first of all, there are two ways, and choose an app you want to remove. Maybe let us remove Subway Surfer. You press on the app you want to remove and then you hold and go up to uninstall. You leave your finger and he will ask you also for confirmation, and if you want to remove that app, go on OK, and as you can see, the app Subway Surfer is disappeared because it's erased from the phone. So this is a second way you can do. You can go to the settings, then you go to apps and notifications, then you go at the first point on apps, and now you have here all the apps you have on your phone, and you can remove also an app. Maybe let us erase the app SimCity. You go on SimCity, and now you have the opportunity to uninstall SimCity. You go on uninstall, it will ask you for confirmation again, go on OK, and now SimCity is removed. So and there are also some apps you cannot really remove, but you can disable it, like normally like the Google stuff. Let's go on Google Play Music, and you can not uninstall it, but you can disable it. And if you disable it, it means that the app will not automatically update and take some data and so on. So at the beginning it's not really necessary, but later if the internal storage is full, it is better to disable it, because then you have a bit more space. Otherwise you could use also, of course, Google Play Music. No? Some people use it, some people don't use it. If you don't use it, disable it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and maybe until next time. Ciao.